Hi, how are you? Wow, wow, we're cooking like always. And we have a lot of other videos. Wow, see the steak shrinks when you're cooking it. Shrinks, we're gonna flip. We're gonna flip and show you the other side. Wow, looks very nice, I think. Looks very nice. Very beautiful. Now we have the mushrooms right here. Big mushrooms. Wow. You like it?
I love it.
You love it? Oh wow. See this one, we're gonna change size because this one got cooked a little more. So we're gonna put this one here. And then we have green beans. We're gonna flip those. Flip those over. Wow. So nice. I love it. I'm so hungry looking at this. See, so now we're gonna show you a little trick. So for green beans, we're gonna do Italian style 5 cheese blend. It's gonna make your green beans amaze. Green beans gonna be so delicious. And not just, you can put on mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms. This is at Kroger, good price, this stuff. And you can put on steak also. Wow. Everything cheese. Everything cheese. So nice. This dinner, see this steak at Kroger, we bought like $9.68. Mushrooms, $2.75 at Trader Joe's. These are huge mushrooms. Huge. Show how thick they are. How thick. Wow. Yeah. And green beans, oh, 135. 134 actually. At Kroger. See, so less than $14. Less than $14 and you have a beautiful dinner. And we show you, we can't wait to eat this stuff. This stuff, good cooking. We added complete seasoning to this. Complete seasoning. A little bit bay and complete a little bit. Lemon pepper, we ran out, but we did use it on this. Parsley. And mayonnaise. We did this all on mayonnaise. No oil, no greasy oils. No greasy oils. Just a little bit mayo. You put sides. I'm gonna show you. So it doesn't burn. You don't want your food burnt. So you put under. Mayo under. Like that. And then you put your steak on it. Like that. No mayo, no oil, no greasy oils. This is healthy food. We're grilling. And I hope you like it. And I always thank you for watching my channel. This is always healthy food. We have steak and green beans and mushrooms. This is healthy stuff. Healthy stuff. And God bless you, and we always wish you the best. Our viewers and everyone actually in the whole world. I have nothing but love for you. Thank you so much. And God bless. God bless. We're gonna close. And we're almost done cooking actually. We're almost done. Almost done. And we always cook on low temperature. This is very important. Low temperatures. Low temperatures, grilling on low temperatures. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye bye. Oh, this is Juice Man.